So, first Vita Plus Vajie, isa tong titanium edition power pack ng first Vita Plus. This is designed for feminine drink mix with stevia. Meron tong peach, carrot, pineapple, and ginger. Ayan. So, ano ba yung benefits nito? So, number 1, it helps promote and maintain the softness and gentleness of womanly needs. Of course, formulated to aid in soothing the discomforts of menstrual and menopause issues. Optimum vaginal health. Ayan, so makakatulong din to para makaiwas din tayo sa mga sakit lalo na sa mga reproductive system area like cervical cancer, maprotektahan natin yung ating health. So, share naman natin ano yung mga benefits ng mga fruits na sa loob ng ating product na Vajie. So, number 1, meron tong peach. Valuable food for fertility. Ayan, nakakatulong to na makapagpabuntis din. Ayan, contains beta-carotene which helps produce the female sex hormones important for ovulation. Helps to improve blood circulation. Helps to remove stagnant blood flow. Contains vitamin A which is essential for maintaining health of mucous membrane. Helps protect and improve skin. Aids in digestion, helps to improve eyesight. And, of course, meron din tong carrots. Helps boost the immune system, helps keep the hair healthy, helps to have glowing skin, helps in preventing wrinkles, rich in beta-carotene and vitamin A, helps in strengthening the wall of vagina, helps prevent any kind of vaginal infection, helps increase libido and lubrication of the vaginal walls. The pineapple helps improve fertility, strengthens immune system, helps in wound healing, contains nutrients that is essential for pregnant women, boosts digestion, good for diabetic, boosts oral health. And last, the ginger improves fertility, relieves menstrual cramps, helps fight infection, lowers cholesterol level, helps reduce inflammation and pain, lower cancer risk, soothes nausea, helps reduce migraine pain, boosts mental well-being, helps improve digestion, and last, promote brain health. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig and pag-watch. Thank you. This is Nurse Cyril.